In this video we're gonna see how to replace the front strut from this Mitsubishi Mirage. First we have to lift the car and place it on jack stands. Down there you're gonna find a solid point where you can put your jack. If you work alone and you want somebody to hold the brake, you can put a breaker bar or something like that against the seat and the wheel is blocked. You're gonna need a 21mm to remove these lug nuts. Now if you have a look on the strut, you can see that it leaks. Okay, you've got this oilish fluid coming out, so this strut needs replacement. Now first we gotta remove this bracket which holds the brake line and the wire for the wheel speed sensor, and then we've got the bracket here as well. Alright, so we've got the bolt here, it's a 10mm. Alright, the bracket is out. It looks like somebody welded that nut in there. Pretty strange. Okay, this one just slides out, and if you have a look on top here, you're gonna see a 12mm. So let's release it. Okay, so now we've got full access to these two big bolts, which basically holds the weight of the car, at least on this side. Alright, now with the 17mm, you gotta open the nut and hold from the head of the bolt. There's a smell of smoke here. It's pretty crazy. Guys, if you don't have an impact gun, you're gonna struggle a lot with this procedure. Now, these bolts are kind of stuck in here, so we need to rotate them and push them from the back. Okay, so you can see now the strut is free. Now inside the engine bay you can have a look at the point where the strut is connected. You're gonna need a 14mm socket or wrench. There is not much space to put a socket in here as long as you don't have it in a proper dimension. You gotta be prepared to not fall. Okay. So if you lift it from under, you can release the nut. Alright, so here is the shock. So out with the old and in with the new used one. Okay, I will try to insert a bolt in here. Now let's try to position it. Okay. For these nuts, the torque spec is 30 foot-pounds. And let's see, let's place this bolt all the way in. It's a good idea to place some thread locker on these bolts and place the nuts. These nuts need to be tightened to 51 foot-pounds. And now let's place back the brake line and tight back this bracket. Let's put the wheel back. Alright, so the front strut is installed. Job done. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And go ahead and check out the other videos I made about this Mitsubishi Mirage. Take care, so I can see you in the next video.